Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about something very important, and that is the fact that natural hair can be challenging to go out. So hold that for a minute because I'm going to explain what I mean by that. So if today is your first time of joining into this video, of seeing my face, then you're welcome to this channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and then let's jump right into today's video. So while a lot of us might be telling you grow your hair long, your hair can grow longer, it's the truth. Your hair can grow longer than what it used to be. But there are some challenging factors that concerns our natural hair, especially a type 4 hair. And you might not hear this a lot of times, or a lot of YouTubers might not tell you this. But I'm going to be telling you this raw fact because you just need to keep this at the back of your mind before you enter into growing out your natural hair. And of course, while there are challenging factors, there are also solutions for everything. Number one would be the fact that it can be challenging to retain moisture in our hair for a long period of time. And that is very key because I used to say this: moisture is key to length retention any day, anytime. So you have to up your game in your moisture level. But it's not easy, it's challenging to keep that moisture in. So what happens is the fact that along with other environmental factors, and especially if you're coming from a place where I am, the hot region, it's not easy because this moment your hair is moisturized, by the time you step out, girl, your hair is completely dry as if you never did anything to it. So that is one of the challenging factors. How do you overcome this? It is very important to make use of things that will help you to keep moisture in for a long period of time. Use deep conditioners to infuse moisture back into your hair, because what happens is that by the time you shampoo your hair has been stripped out of all its natural oils or its moisture. So the deep conditioner helps you to infuse that moisture back into your hair. But of course, you have to use a moisturizing deep conditioner. And also, like I said, the use of a leave-in conditioner. Now, leave-in conditioners have been formulated to have deep conditioning properties that help keep your strands protected, especially from the sun, from other environmental factors around. They help keep that moisture in. These things are just things that helps aid you in moisture retention, because I always say this: moisture is the key to length retention. You can't do it any other way. You can't have it any other way or any other form. Moisture keeps that length intact. So even though I say it's challenging, it is not impossible. Number two will be the fact that it's not easy to get the right product for your hair. So when you find that product that sticks to you, please keep it and you'll see the changes that you're looking for. Number three will be, it's not easy to be patient. So guys, I always say be patient. I always preach about patience, consistency, but it's not easy because you might be seeing someone who is growing down their hair fast and your own is slow. Because our hair grows at different rates, you have to still be patient, because it might not take 6 months to see that growth. It might take a year, it might take 2 years, it might even take 3 years. So however long it takes, you want to make sure that you're loving your process, you're loving your journey. It is called a journey for a purpose. It is called a journey for a reason. So your own journey is different from my own journey. My hair gets to waist length at 3 years. Doesn't mean that yours will do the same. Yours might take shorter period, yours might take longer period. So whichever one, just love your journey, love your process, because there's something that comes with the originality of your process that can never be taken away. Then you have a story to tell someone, this is how I went through it. Please don't be mistaken. A lot of us, natural YouTubers, influencers, we have our stories. There are setbacks, there are all these challenges I'm talking about. They've passed through it, or they are still passing through it. So let nobody come and tell you it's all rosy, it's a walk in the park. Nah, it's not that, because it takes time. These things takes time. So until you're able to find that perfect balance, you're not there yet. And it's okay, it's fine. If you're not there yet, it's okay. Just make sure you keep doing what you're doing. As long as your hair is healthy and your hair is growing and you're retaining that moisture, your hair is going to get to the length that you so desire. Number 4, and lastly, is going to be the fact that it's not easy to keep a consistent hair care regimen because a lot of us have so much to do. We're busy, we're moms, we're parents, we are, out there working. Life happens a lot of times, and you just find yourself not keeping up to your routine. It has happened to me a lot of times, but I just dust myself up and just keep at it and just keep going. So it's okay to not be able to keep up consistently with your routine. It's okay to miss that wash day. It's okay. It's fine. Don't beat yourself up. Just make sure that you keep doing what you're doing, get back at it, and just continue your best at whatever you're doing, and you see that growth that you're looking for. So while it's easy for us to say moisturize your hair, girl, it can be so challenging to keep that moisture in. So a lot of us have been able to find ways to keep moisture in for a while, at least for a week, or some people for 2 weeks. Like Coily Diaries have been able to do that, but she didn't just start like yesterday. She has been at this for years, and now she's been able to find something that works for her, that keeps her hair moisturized for 2 weeks. You might use the same thing and it doesn't work for you. That's the honest truth. But finding what works for you, for your type of hair, is very, very key. It's very important. So I too have been able to tweak some few routines, tweak some few products, and I found something that keeps my hair for at least a week. And that did not just happen overnight. Like I said, I've tweaked my routines, I've tweaked my products. And when I mean products, organic things, of course, I've been able to just, play with 1 or 2 things here and there. And I found what keeps my hair moisturized for a week. So it is not a day's thing. It's not something that will just happen overnight. So please, guys, be patient, even though it's not easy to be patient. Be consistent with your regimen, even though it's not easy to be, because life happens, of course. And also find the right products for your hair, even though it's not easy. So you might need to do a few trial and errors to even get there. So that is okay. That is fine. And moisture level, it's not easy. It is challenging. But once you're able to put your hands on something, once you're able to find that, thing that works for you, you will see that the difference is clear. You see that your hair is going to flourish. And also don't forget, my last thing, but not the least, put God in your hair journey and see the difference. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you like it. And I hope you've been able to see that it's not all that rosy. It's not all that perfect, but we can get there. It's not impossible. A lot of natural YouTubers have been able to do this, and you too can do it if only you're committed and able to do the work. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to it if you're yet to do so, and also drop your comments down below. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Continue this discussion there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.